A man is often secretly oppressed by the role he has to play, by always having to be responsible, in control, and rational. The Siren is the ultimate male fantasy figure because she offers a total release from the limitations of his life. In her presence, which is always heightened and sexually charged, the ale feels transported to a realm of pure pleasure. In a world where women are often too timid to protect such an image, learn to take control of the man libido by embodying his fantasy. The Siren is one of the charming characters explained in the book known as The Art of Seduction. Want to know about it in detail? Well, stay tuned till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about learn to become a siren to seduce and hypnotize. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. That being done, let's start. Distinguish from other women. By having a very feminine energy and sexual presence is unique and a rare mystery. Have the ability to make men pursue you. First of all, to get sued, you don't have to sue, so let the man do the work. The more he invests in you, the more he will trick his own mind into attaching himself to you. You have to be highly sexual, but not somehow, and I mean don't put yourself in a position where he thinks he can take whatever he wants from you, then loses interest in joy and leave. For this, you need to be somewhat elusive and aloof, also bigger than life. The voice. Having a soft voice, speaks softly, redirects well, is not fast, strong, and has a high pitch. Lower your voice and speak more slowly, as if you've just woken up. Watch and listen to voices like Lauren Bacall, Marilyn Monroe, and more. The way to dress. Must be dazzled. Use things that are gold and have the goddess effect. Dress sexy, but in a suggestive way, not screaming it. A good way to do this is to choose the part of your body that you feel is the most beautiful and attractive, such as shoulders, legs, arms, cleavage, etc. And show it, but only show this part. The rest is modestly concealed. As I said in the article How to Be the Heroine, you have to stimulate her imagination, so don't show her everything, just the looks. Makeup and hair. Long hair, it's the fave amongst men, and it's taken into consideration the maximum feminine. But I won't say you need to develop your hair long, put on a wig, or to put on extensions. My hair, it's a messy bob, and my stylist says it is what appears first class on me, so what I endorse is to invite your hairdresser, your own circle of relatives and buddies. What reduce appears first class on you, even better. I endorse so that you can see what reduce you want to appear on you. And it truly is for garments as well. Constantly put on and use what appears first class on you. In historic times, makeup become used to make girls appear greater fertile. So in case you need to put on makeup, now no longer announcing it is for he identical purpose as before, you may use eyeliner mascara to make your students appear dilated, eyeshadow to present the bedroom eyes appearance, blush to present the trace of flushed, warm in heat, darkish colored lips and to lead them to seem larger arousal, bronzer to present the wholesome and fertile look, contouring to make the face appearance smaller and younger. Smell. It is actually vital which you odor top. That comes now no longer handiest with top hygiene, normal showers, put on deodorant, brushing teeth, etc., however, additionally from perfumes. And I understand a few girls that do not want to put on them. I actually have buddies like that. You may odor top with the aid of using simply applying and top-smelling shampoo and conditioner with scents like vanilla, coconut, etc., using scented body lotion. I actually have one from Vaseline. It is known as Vaseline Cocoa Radiant and it smells like heaven perfume. Use it on the warmth spots of your body. That all of us have learned. In the back of ears, neck, wrists. Do not rub them. Alternatively, press them lightly towards every other. In the back of neck and in case you are displaying your legs, being the knees and with inside the internal tights. Use scents with sensual tones like musk, vanilla, coconut, rose, black pepper, and greater. How to move. Move gracefully and elegantly, moving your hips naturally, one foot in front of the other, chin up, looking straight ahead. Walk calmly without haste, like you have all the time in the world. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. And that's all for the day, guys. If you find the video interesting, make sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Until then, peace.